Like how did you
Overcoming the negative thoughts and the fears.
fears and the obstacles? Correct.
Okay. See, obstacles and fears are a part of everyday life, you know.
Correct.
I do have fears still today. Whenever it's been 2 years running now, but even whenever I go to restaurant as a new day, I still have those fears because you never know what's gonna come up,
Correct.
what today is going to be. So those fears will always be there, and I think fear should be there. It makes you perfect, right?
Correct.
So you'll be very much careful about your each and every step while doing something. So
Correct.
fear should be there, and
Yeah.
obstacles will be there. Obstacles are part of life. They'll you just have to be focused. I just think you just have to be focused, and then you'll be able to overcome those obstacles, I think.
Yeah.
And that's what I have been doing.
Yeah. So, like throughout your journey, obviously there have been something that you have always followed. Like maybe someone who you find as a role model, someone you follow, that inspiration from someone in particular.
Particularly, I mean, yeah, there are many people. There are many bloggers, you know, who were the first bloggers from India. Food
Correct.
blogging in India started way back,
Correct.
and those were the pioneers of those times. Like there's Nisha Madhulika, there's Nandita Saffron. They used to write about food and healthy food and it benefits. How do you make something with simple ingredients, and those were the times they just wrote about ingredients and food. Now it has become a vast journey. Now people have started restaurant reviewing. Again, restaurant reviewing is a different part of the
Correct.
section. Only writing about food, what you cook, or you go to a restaurant and you give review about that food, those are completely different things. So
Correct.
yeah, so now it has become a vast space. So now there are many people whom I follow, like there are Kalyan Karmakar, again our favorites Rocky and Mayur. Who doesn't know them,
Yeah.
right? So
Correct.
Rocky and Mayur have been inspiring our generation like anything. Going to different places, having different food. Everyone wishes to go like them and have something out. So yeah, and not to
Correct.
forget, there are many bloggers from our own place. You know, so there's they have been writing about food since a long time now. So there's Sanjukta Datta, there's Geeta Datta, and since I know them personally, I would like to say they are a gem of a person. You know, like they have inspired me a lot in this journey. Once I met them, I got to know what is the importance of having like good food, how food
Right.
is not only about the taste palette. It is not only
Correct.
about the taste palette, you know.
Correct.
So yeah, and Sanjukta Datta, she writes so well and she knows how to frame her words and everything. I really learned from her. And Geeta Datta, she has been writing about our ethnic Assamese food since a long time now. So from her, I got to learn a lot about Assamese food. So there are many people
Correct.
in this journey who will definitely inspire you.
Correct. Actually, were an inspiration yourself because when I got to know about your journey and everything, that was for me it was really inspiring. It was a very like different things that you have faced and how you have overcome those. And also to bring the content, you are a mother of two children, and that's itself is a great thing. And you know, also you are balancing your work, that is your restaurant. So how are you exactly balancing both? That is actually really great to do that. But how are you able to? Because a lot of people can't manage.
Well, you see, I think if you like to do something, if you need to do something, you will take out time. You
Correct.
have to channelize your time, whatever time you have,
Correct.
right? So that's how I am doing. Like, I won't say I'm a very regular routine person who follows a proper routine. No, I'm also very much hesitant, very much lethargic person. So still I try to manage.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, I have to say I do have a very supportive husband and a very supportive family. So whenever I am out, my husband is always there, or if he's out, I'm always there. So that's how we are doing.
Yeah. The support is a very important thing in the new.
Very important, very important.
And I think, talking about your restaurant now. So when I got to know about it, and a lot of people suggested me very special dishes. One is a very interesting name that I've heard, Egivora's Burger. Like lot of suggestions have come for it, and one more thing was I think crispy fried roll. So it's something
Yes.
I heard for the first time. Though I have stayed in places like Bangalore, but I've never heard of those two particular. And that sounds just. What do you have to say about it?
Well, yeah, there are some of the items which our customers do like, and one of them is Eggivorous Burger, as you have said. Eggivorous Burger is something like the burgers always have patty, right? Either
Correct.
veg or chicken patty or slices of chicken or something. But this burger is filled with eggs. I mean, although burger contains eggs as poached egg or sunny side ups, but this is not sunny side up, this is not poached egg, this is a different kind of egg. So you'll have to come to try this out and get to know about this.
Yeah, been big with one of my friend when he told me about your uh, restaurant, and when he told me about to try this too, like they take a lot of speakers are there, but I think this too has a name of its own, and the names are also in. So
Yeah, so yeah, people do like our Eggivorous burger. And talking about the fried roll, yeah, the roll, crispy fried roll is a normal roll kind of a thing, but it is entirely fried. And the filling is with barbecue sauce. I think that is why it's a bit more in the likable side, you know. So
yeah,
people do like that crispy fried roll. It has chicken and paneer, both the options. But yeah, it is actually good, very good.
and only because of the lockdown, inter-district listing is going on. But once I come to Guwahati, I'm surely having that for sure.
Definitely, definitely.
So about audio, am I audible? Am I audible? Please.
You're a bit on the lower side.
Yeah. Okay. That makes it. Uh, yeah. What about it now? Am I audible now? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So about your restaurant. So now during uh, there are restrictions how we going on our business hours because around I think 1 p.m. or I think 4 p.m. So challenging it has have been for you to put this thing up right now during the COVID your restaurant thing.
Yeah. Actually, you know, like presently we are closed. We'll be again opening by 15th of July. We closed
Okay.
up in the mid of May because during that time also, I think the curfew time was increased and it was
Right.
around 2 p.m. maybe. So
Okay.
by that time it became very difficult for us because our mainly we cater lunch customers. Our lunch, there are many bulk orders for lunch. We cater customers during the lunch time. So while we couldn't do that, that's why by mid of May we have closed it down. And also our staff needs to get vaccinated, you know, since the
Right.
vaccination drive has started. So that is one of the reason I have sent them. So while we'll be opening by the 15th, they are all vaccinated as of now. So
Correct.
now let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. We are planning to open by 15th of July.
Awesome, amazing. But I also want to ask you because you know a lot of people, a lot of viewers are maybe they are also opening their business, or a lot of people who already have a business. We all are facing these difficulties. So I'm for sure that you are a good thing for any because your affinity towards it has been consistent and your passion always been there. So what this thing is that you know.
Your voice is breaking. Your voice is
Yeah.
breaking.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Am I audible? I don't know. Like, really sorry, but am I audible?
Haha.
Am, yeah. Am I?
No voice. No.
Am I audible now? One sec. Fix it. I think there is nothing. Really sorry. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You're able to hear. Perfect. No?
Yeah.
So yeah. So I was saying, a lot of people now, like from viewers or people who have their own business, and they're all going to, like, we all are part of this. All are going through a very rough time now regarding business because there are restrictions and we're not able to open it. But I know that you have that thing in mind. You have been doing. So, what would be your suggestion to those people who have somehow maybe losing their hope in between right now because of this pandemic?
Well, see, yeah, this time is very disturbing time. People are suffering a lot, physically,
Correct.
mentally, both ways.
Correct.
So, starting up a new thing is has become very challenging. Although, but there are people who are starting up new ventures during this time. So those are the bars they have raised, so we should
Correct.
look up to them definitely. Like in this time where it is so uncertain, they have thought of opening up something new, which means
Correct.
time is going to get better. Definitely, time heals. Time will get better some way or the other. So we just have to be focused, whatever we have thought about it, and we just have to gather more of experiences. Like if you are planning for a plan A, if plan A doesn't happen, what will be your plan B? You have to keep that
Correct.
in mind also, that way. So yeah, so
Correct.
you'll have to keep in mind a plan B and a plan C as well. So that's how, if you think something seriously, I think you will be